हाय वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम करेंगे द नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी। लास्ट क्लास में हमने 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज कर ली थी, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट न्यू रेशियोज, एंड द थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट व्हेन न्यू पार्टनर एडमिट and old partners may be partner or partners surrender or maybe gives their shares in favor of new partner. If this information is given that old partner or partner surrenders their share or gives their shares in favor of new partner, then how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? In this case, formula will remain same as second case, that new ratio equal to old share minus sacrifice share. When you subtract sacrifice shares from the old shares, you will get the new shares of old partners. For example, A and B are partners sharing 3:2. C admit A surrender 1/3 of his share and B 1/2 of his share to C. This information is given. तो देखिए यही पॉसिबिलिटी है कि सरेंडर और गिव्स हिज शेयर्स टू न्यू पार्टनर. Here A is surrender 1/3 of his share and B surrender 1/3 of his shares and B surrender 1/2 of his shares to C. Then how to calculate the new ratio? A is to B 3/5 and 2/5. C is a new partner. What is given? A surrender 1/3 of his share. Of his share. Of means multiply. Means A surrender 1/3. Of means multiply. His share, A's share is 3/5. So it means he is giving 1/5 share to C. So this is the sacrificing share of A. In the same way, B surrender 1/2 of multiply his share. B's share is 2/5. It means he is also giving 1/5 share to C. So this is the sacrificing share of B. Then When you will add the sacrificing shares of A and B, you will get the share of C. C acquire 1/5. A is giving 1/5 and B is also giving 1/5. When you will add the sacrificing share of A and sacrificing share of B, you are able to calculate the share of C. It means C's share is 2/5, which he acquire 1/5 from A and 1/5 from B. Now you are able to calculate the new ratio by applying the formula old share minus sacrificing share. A, old share of A is 3/5 minus sacrificing share of A 1/5, it means 2/5. In the same way, B's old share is 2/5 minus sacrificing share of B is also 1/5, it means 1/5. And C has a new share that is 2/5. It means new ratio will be A is to B is to C. This is the new ratio of A, new ratio of B, और C की तो new ratio है ही. But ratio is 2:1:2. This is the new profit sharing ratio of partners. This is how to calculate when the old partner surrenders or gives their shares in favor of new partners. And the next possibility may be fourth. New partner admit and future share of old partners are also given. ओल्ड शेयर तो दिया ही होता है, लेकिन अगर कोई नया पार्टनर एडमिट हो रहा है, व्हेन द न्यू पार्टनर एडमिट and the future shares of old partner is also given, that after the admissions of new partners, the old partner decided to share futures, whatever ratios will be given. If this information is given, then how to calculate the new ratio? New ratio equal to remaining share multiply by future share. When remaining share multiply by future shares of old partners, then you are able to get the new ratio of old partners. For example, A and B are partners sharing 3:2. C admit for 1/4 share and A and B decide to share future in 2:1. ठीक है, तो A and B decide to share futures in 2:1. It means future shares of A and B means old partners का future shares आपको given है, future shares of old partner is given to you. Then how to calculate, which formula you will apply? New ratio equal to remaining shares multiply by future shares. So remaining shares, you have an idea how to calculate the remaining share. रिमेनिंग शेयर्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? लेट द न्यू फर्म शेयर्स बी 1 and subtract the new partner shares from the 1, you are able to get the remaining shares 1/4 then the remaining shares will be 3/4. Now multiplied remaining shares by the future share. The future share is given A is to B, 2 is to 1, means 2/3 and 1/3. How to calculate now new ratio of A? By applying the formula remaining shares multiply by future share. Remaining share is 3/4 and future shares of A is 2/3, 6/12. In the same way, B, remaining share is 3/4 and future share is 1/3, 3/12. And C has a new share that is 1/4, but to equal the denominators, multiplied by 3, 3/12. Now the ratio is A is to B is to C. The ratio is 6 is to 3 is to 3. 3 is common, then 2 is to 1 is to 1. This is the new ratio. Is it clear? When the future shares of old partner is given to you, then how to calculate the new ratio? Remaining share multiply by future share. And when old partners surrender their shares, then how to calculate the new ratio? The procedure will remain same. Old share minus sacrificing shares. This is how to calculate new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of partners. There are so many questions in your book you have to do, and in next class we will do the treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of partner.